video. Today's video is about installing my new exhaust from Alibaba. The exhaust is right here. I'm gonna take it to the muffler shop to get it put on. Right now it's snowing, but y'all know we on the grind. We on the grind phase, so we're not stopping. That's not stopping us. Honestly, I don't know what this should look like. I don't know how it looks. I don't know how it's gonna sound. I think this is an X pipe. I think it should sound a little bit different. So I'm gonna take y'all both with me to the muffler shop to get this exhaust installed today. Wow. Okay, so now we at the shop. Cars on the lift. And we're gonna start taking the exhaust down. Alright, so we got the old exhaust out, you feel me? And shit like that. Shit, now we're about to start putting this one together. Word. Got my boy Tariq with me. Feel me, Tariq? My boy doing this shit for me, you know what I'm saying? Nah, this shit clean though, like the weld on this should go hard. No cap, it's super clean. Can't wait to see this thing under the car and you hear how it sound. No bop. And then we got the Valvetronic over here. We have no height. We have no clue on how to run this thing, but we're gonna figure it out. You know that. You know that. You know that. Anyways, so we just got done with the exhaust, man. You feel me? Everything is intact. That's what it looks like. All the way to the back. Yeah. Y'all boys see the OTS, man. Real shit. OTS mat in this bitch. And this is the exhaust tip. Carbon fiber exhaust tip. Feel me? Yeah, so we just finished with that shit. So now we're gonna take the car for a lift and start that bitch up, man. Yes, sir. Let's go, man. I ain't gonna lie, I can't wait to hear what this shit sound like. I ain't gonna lie. No cap. And this is the old exhaust. Boom. Yes, sir. Hold on. You ready? Alright, so now we're about to start the car up. The car is off the lift right now. Now we're going to start this thing up. And I don't know if the valves is open or closed. So y'all bear with me, because I still don't know how to use this valve shit. I'm new to this shit, so yeah. But yeah, we're going to start this thing up right now. What? That was super quiet.
That's close, for sure.
That was super quiet.
That's close.
That means the valve is closed. Where's it? Where's the outlet?
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna try to open the valve. Look, that shit is still quiet. It's on CarPlay. Wow. Wow. That's not crazy.
Ain't straight pipe, brother.
Huh?
Ain't straight pipe.
That ain't straight pipe no more. Nigga, this shit too quiet.
I bought not. Alright, key that down.
Oh my god. Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
Press it again. Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Alright, motherfucker.
Now this shit tough.
Give it a little rep.
Oh. Alright, so this is how it sounds with the valve. This is how it sounds with the valve open. I have like this. I'm gonna rev that shit, twin. Oh my god. Nigga, that shit sounds too fucking smooth, nigga. Too fucking smooth, I swear to God.
This ain't no regular traffic, brother.
Yeah, so. Hold that thing. Really, what did you go? it definitely sounds better with the new exhaust than the stock exhaust straight pipe. Definitely. I'm not gonna lie, straight pipe is really loud. The new exhaust, it has a muffler, so it's not gonna be that loud. It's the only con, whatever the fuck you would say about this new exhaust. So far, I'm liking the exhaust so far. It sounds really good. Right now, I'm having an exhaust shake under the car. It's like shaking, knocking under the car and shit like that. I'm gonna bring it to the shop tomorrow to get that shit fixed. I'm gonna take y'all boys with me, but that's gonna be on a whole different video. The new exhaust is really good. I really love this new exhaust, bro. It sounds insane. Like, it sounds crazy. I'm not gonna lie to y'all boys. This shit sounds crazy. Word. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Ever since I got this new exhaust, my car have been running way better. It burns gas less. I don't know, man. It just, this new exhaust is just, it just makes the car runs better, sounds better, feels better. It's just, I don't know, bro. It shit sounds too crazy. I don't know. It just sounds too good, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know what mods I want to get done to this car next. Probably just gonna do side skirts to lower it, and probably start with the interior because my interior is pretty much stock. It ain't really shit done to my interior and shit like that. I do need a new wing. I'm gonna get a new wing too. Yeah, the car sounds crazy, bro. I'm gonna let you boys hear how the car sounds again. I'm gonna give y'all one more rev of the car because it was a late night. I ain't gonna lie. We finished this exhaust around like 1 o'clock in the morning, and I didn't get to finish the video, so that's why I'm finishing the video today. I still gotta do like a pull in this car. I'm gonna do a pull. I'm gonna do a launch control.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
With the new exhaust and shit like that so your boys can hear it. It sounds really crazy. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It really sounds crazy. I know I keep on saying this, but y'all really have to hear this car in person to really hear the exhaust, bro. This shit sounds insane. I'm not gonna lie. Sounds insane. Swear to God. I gotta make more videos and shit like that, so y'all boys stay tuned. New videos will be coming soon. Launch control, a pull, probably a race too. Who knows? You know what I'm saying? But y'all, if y'all boys new to the channel, make sure y'all boys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. Alright, so that's just a little quick clip. Y'all boys will be getting more clips soon of the exhaust. That shit sounds crazy, insane crazy, and shit like that. But yeah, that's it for today's video. See y'all boys, man, for sure.